Make sure to stay till the end. If you have a Mustang any generation that burns engine oil, we'll share 3 secrets how to easily fix that. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang. It could be any generation Ford Mustang. If you have one of those and you experience increased oil consumption, stay with us guys. We'll explain how you can easily fix that without expensive repairs, without taking the engine apart. We'll share 2 secrets that we use here at the garage, actually 3 of them that can guys save you quite a bit of labor and money as well. So all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart guys. Anything from transmissions, engines, bodywork, interior, exterior. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return for providing these free videos, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. That way we can keep making them. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on that 2019 Ford Mustang that we have here at the garage guys. This specifically is the 5.0 engine, but even if you have a 6-cylinder, 4-cylinder or 8-cylinder different engine, sooner or later guys, on most modern cars, practically any car, you will develop increased oil consumption and burning engine oil. Now, what can easily lead to that? Okay, first let me tell you about something that most people will never replace, but you're supposed to change it quite often. If you check your service manual, it will say how many miles, but it could be 40, 60, 80 or 100,000 miles. You need to replace one part, otherwise you can start increasing oil consumption to the point that you may think you need the engine replaced or rebuilt. I'm talking about a PCV valve. Bad PCV valve can cause really high oil consumption because the PCV valve, that's the positive crankcase ventilation valve. It practically, you will have a blow-by gas around the pistons and in the lower crankcase, and that blow-by gas needs to come out of the engine, otherwise all the gaskets will start failing, and that PCV valve will be injected in the intake manifold guys, practically, right? And the PCV valve, okay, is on the back side. Will separate the oil fumes from the air, and the oil fumes will be practically liquefied and the oil will be sent back to the oil pan. But if that valve is stuck open or it fails, you can start experiencing increased oil consumption and putting engine oil directly in the intake manifold and burning it. So test or replace your PCV valve. We have multiple videos that explains how to test PCV valve on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. Check it out. And we'll have a video how to replace PCV valve on Mustang coming on this channel. Next, you guys need to use oil that's actually for your specific car, make and model. Leaky moly is one of the best oils that we use here at the garage. It meets the Ford specifications here. But do an oil flush to clean the inside of your engine, okay? Now that liquid moly engine flush, I'm not joking guys. I wasn't a believer until I used that stuff. We used it on a Porsche Cayenne with almost 200,000 miles. We opened the engine for a valve cover replacement and the engine looked almost like new. So you can check out the video, the results about that. The video is called "Does Liquid Moly Engine Flush Work?" Demonstrated on old Porsche. Next guys, another thing that can easily cause burning oil, okay, could be dirty oil rings, right? Oil rings, and engine flush can easily clean oil rings, okay, and seized oil rings that can cause burning oil. After that, you're going to use good oil, new oil filter, and use motor oil saver. This one reduces oil consumption and fixes oil leaks. What it does, it makes your gaskets pliable. It expands them because gaskets with age and heat will shrink. They will get hard. They will not function correctly. That additive will expand them, make them soft, pliable again, so they'll start resealing, including valve seals as well. So this one guys, okay, add it, and after 1-2 few tanks running through your engine, you're going to start noticing significantly less burning oil, guys. It can I've seen that one even fix oil leaks to the point that it was practically leaking out of the engine. When we parked one Volkswagen, a friend of mine, he was puddles of oil underneath it. We used that stuff, and practically we were down to only a couple of drops here and there, but it was unbelievable, guys. So you get the idea. That's what we use. This one fixes valve seals, and check PCV valve, replace it as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.